Hello everyone, this is Debbie from Pixel Art Mysteries in Education, and today I have for you not a pixel art, but a coloring page. And I'm going to show you how to modify it to fit your content or your subject. So I have the template, and this is what you would receive when you purchase, and it has answers in here just 1 through 10. So the entire picture is showing because those are the answers that we have on our answer sheet. So what we have to do is add our content and then change the answers on the answer page. So let's start and put in some simple multiplication facts. And as I'm entering a different answer than was already there, you'll see that some colors are disappearing. So and it's going to stay that way until I match it up on the other side, on the answer page. All right, I'm going to show you right now how to kind of go back through that answer page and make it work. So I have my first 4 questions done, and I have the answers here. Down at the bottom, we are on sheet 1 right now. We need to go to sheet 2, where the answers are. Scroll over here. I'm going to make it a little larger so you can see it a little better. Scroll over here to column Q, and this is where you will find the answers. The problem numbers are here. You don't need to transfer the problems. It's not beneficial in any way, doesn't change anything on the front page. So just leave those there to remind you what question you're on. And we need to put the correct answer to our problems in the right spaces. I put the first 4 answers in there. And when I go back to sheet 1, I see that my entire wolf is colored in again. All the colors have reappeared. I'm going to go ahead and delete the rest of these answers just so I can show you. And there's so if this is all that the student has done so far, these are the only colors that they would see. Let's put in the rest of the problems. Oops, I missed one. Oh, that was one. Okay. 8, 3. Oh, like I already have that one on here. That's okay. It's just an example for now. Oh dear, for some reason the font is not changed on this one. It's not a problem. You can change all of the fonts and the colors, everything on this page. I'm going to click on this cell since it has the font size and position that I want. And I'm going to choose the paintbrush up here, this little paint roller, and click on it 1 time. And then you go down to the cell you want to paste that format into. And I clicked there, and so now they appear to be the same. That's what the little paintbrush does, in case you don't know that trick already. All right, I have the first 4 answers in. Now I need to put the next ones. And I'm going to only do a few at a time because that's all I can remember. The tip that I normally do when I'm working with it is I take a screenshot of my answers so that I can just look at my phone and then type the answers in on the next page. So now I have moved all of the answers into the answer column. This column over here, you don't touch. This is where the formulas are that make the picture on the front page work. This column here has all of the different images. I'm going to make that larger just so you can see them for a second. See, this is the image with 1 color. This is the image with 2. This is the image with 3. So each time they get a correct answer, the next one will show. These do not have to be done in order. You can answer them in any order and they will still have the correct number of colors show up. So now you have all of our answers are in here and they match the answers that are on sheet 2 in the answer column. And as long as they match to what's here in the answer column, the colors will work and will reveal. So the last thing to do before you assign this to your students is you want to hide what you have on sheet 2. I do this by selecting the row that has the pictures, the column that has the pictures. And if you right click on the top of it, you can hide the column. And then you want to select all of the cells that have text. And you want to change that font color, not the fill color, but the font color. Change it to white. And it appears as though they've disappeared. The last thing you want to do is hide the whole sheet. If you go down to the bottom tab here, Sheet 2, and then select Hide Sheet, now they can no longer see a Sheet 2. Now they can find it again if they know how to do that. You can do that two ways. Down here at the bottom, this little button says All Sheets, and you can see Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. It's grayed out now because it's hidden, but you can still select it, and there it is again. But if you've hidden that font color and changed it to white, they probably won't be able to find the answers. So I'm going to go ahead and hide that again. This is now not quite ready to go for students because it has all the answers in there. So you'd want to delete the answers for your students. All right, now they have nothing here. Change the title to perhaps addition facts. You might want to change the name of your document so that students don't know what the picture is going to be. You can tell pretty quickly with this image, but some of them they can't, so it's kind of fun. All right, you are all set now to assign to your students. Be sure that you assign a copy for each of them so that they're not working on the same one. And when you do that in Google Classroom, it's very simple. Just attach the document to an assignment and click on copy for each student. That's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Pixel Art Mysteries in Education, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks and have a great day.